Here we are in the ROMBLON State Capitol. So I was here last time was in 2020 during the pandemic, and I actually spoke here at this building. So doing a little tour of the building. I'm gonna show you all the rooms here. The veterinarian, this is the PWD, person with disability. This is the Citizens Charter. Citizens Charter. So the governor and the vice governor are based here. Doing a quick video tour. Okay. All the marble stairs. Marble tiles. Marble chairs, marble tables. This is Jose Riano, the governor, one ROMBLON. It's all the accounting offices, provincial accessible. I'm going down now. I'll show you the video. I spoke at this building. Okay, remember this sign, okay? I'll show you. I have a picture with this sign here. Look at this sign, okay? Remember the sign, okay? I'm going to show you later. Office of the Vice Governor, Felix Yagan. So I'm going to go second floor. The governor, okay. Riano. Now we're back at the ground level here. ROMBLON Capitol Building.